So we've got a new project, but we're yet to receive the data. So instead of going into Excel and typing out records, we can go to ChatGPT and get it to automatically create it. Just type in ChatGPT, use Google search, open it up, and write a prompt to create a table. So create a safety dataset formatted as a table that I can copy the code and with 20 records and these columns. I'm just going to copy my columns in and paste those. So pretty standard ID, incident title, description. I'm going to say description of incident. Now with my status, I only want it to give me statuses of open and closed. And with my consequences, I only want a few options. Consequence equal first aid, lost time, or near miss. That should do it. I'm going to press enter and it should build it out for us. Now, even though I've tried this code earlier, it's given it to me in this table that I can't really copy. So I'm going to come back up here and I'm going to copy that. I'm going to try again. So this time I want to say create a safety data set that I can copy code. Let's see if that works. Enter it again. And the reason I use just copy code is because that's what the name of the button is up here. So it's done it for me this time. And then we're going to copy that once it's finished. There we go. Button and open up Excel. Press paste. It's brought the data in. We're using pipes there. So we just go to data and go text to column to turn it into columns instead of those pipes. So change it to other and type pipe. And we can see instantly it's already broken that into columns. I've got a blank column there, so I'm going to delete, and I'm going to delete that second row. It's just lines. Push it out. And here we go. We've got our data set of records. So we can see that they're pretty realistic as well. Now I can save that and go build out my Power BI dashboard.